This one viral strategy helped me grow from 0 to 1,000 subscribers without using shorts, without begging, without getting flagged by the YouTube algorithm. And no, this is not what you think, but it works. And today, I am going to break it down step by step so you can copy it and start seeing results this week. Stick around to the very end of this video because I am going to show you exactly how I use this particular strategy to grow my subscribers and what most people do wrong and the exact comment format that avoid the spam filter. So if this is the kind of video you want to see today, please give this video a massive thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, join the family and hit that bell icon so that each time I publish videos like this, you will get notified. So let's dive right into the video. Let me tell you something. Small YouTubers are everywhere, but most don't know how to connect without breaking YouTube rules. Now, this is what you are going to do. Go to videos within your niche, not viral videos with millions of views, but creators with just a little ahead of you. Maybe they have 1,000 subscribers to 10,000 subscribers. Now, this is what you are going to do on that particular aspect. Drop a real comment that shows that you have watched their video. I mean, go to their video and drop a real comment. It's not just great video, thanks for sharing, all those kind of comments. Just a real comment that is showing that yes, this particular person watched this particular video. Maybe something like that tips about using B-rolls just improve my latest video. Thanks for that. This will get you noticed authentically on that word comment section, both by the creators and the other words viewers. So I here to comment and also what like under your word, your comment. Let me give you these bonus tips. Before you even start dropping these real comments on those creators, those top creators videos, comment within the first 30 to 60 minutes of a video that is being uploaded. Like comments for about 30 to 60 minutes that they have uploaded that particular video. You are more likely to stay on top of the comment word section. Now, the second step is for you doing sub for sub the right way. Yes, I know a lot of you have heard about people telling you don't do sub for sub, don't do connect by connect. But let me tell you, if you go behind those people, subscribers, you will see that they got their 1,000 subscribers using sub for sub. Yes, I did it before I even start my YouTube channel. I don't know about this sub for sub. All I do is I see people doing new YouTubers gather here, connect by connect, sub for sub, vibes on vibes. They will drop flower. I drop flower in your house. Yes, it is good to use that particular words medium to reach your 1,000 subscriber. Yes, I said it. You can get your 1,000 subscriber using sub for sub, but not in the spammy kind or spammy method. I am talking about watch and connect. You need to watch their video and now connect on what? On them. You support their channel by watching a full video on that people's what? Channel. And if you like their content, you subscribe. And in return, they will do the same. That is a real engagement. And another thing is that go and reply them like, hey, I genuinely like your editing style on this particular video. I am a small creator too. Check out your content and subscribe. If you vibe with mine, I have loved your support as well. That is not spam. When YouTube see it, they will know that it is not what a spam word comment. It is a what a real connection within what creators. I use this method and gain over what 300 subscribers in just what 3 days, which helped me to reach over what 1,000 subscribers and no upgrading penalty, no fake subscribers, just real what people. But I won't lie, there is sometimes when YouTube will reduce my subscriber and I will be like, What's the problem? Why is YouTube reducing my subscriber? What did I do wrong? So what is my offense? So this is how you are going to avoid these spammy words in people's comments. YouTube's algorithm flag certain phrases, especially in what? In people's words, comments. If YouTube see this type of comments, your comments will disappear or get sent to as spam words comment. So this is how you are going to avoid this type of word comment. Don't just go to people's comment and say sub back, subscribe to my channel, I will sub on your channel, or let's support each other. Instead, use let's connect as creators, or love your style, left a follow on your wall, or left a flower in your house. Supporting each other's content is the way to grow on this YouTube. You don't need to be, you want to grow your YouTube channel with organic subscriber, you want to do, if you keep using that same word, using that same ideas, my dear, you're going to stay on YouTube 3 years. You don't have your 1,000 subscriber, you are not growing your channel, and you don't have your what? Your 4,000 watch hour. So changing the word help me stay visible in the comments. Every time I don't use the same word, the same comments words. And those comments will bring in about 10 to 30 subscriber per day if you are what? Consistent, okay? So try using this method and you will see your 1,000 subscriber blowing and you'll be like, oh, this video has helped you. So here is what my daily routine looked like when I was pushing for 1K subscribers. I make sure that I comment on people's comments, like 5 to 10 comments per day. Yes, I make sure I watch to people's comments about 5 to 10 comments, 11 comments per day. Watch about 1 to 2 minutes of someone's video before commenting, or I'll make sure that I watch the full video if it is short, or if the video is not too lengthy. Make sure your comment is meaningful. Yes, mention something specific showing that you watch that particular video, or showing something that particular video carries. Okay, make sure that you reply to 2 to 3 small creators per day after genuinely watching their content. It takes 30 minutes maximum, but it builds your network, increases your watch time, and grows your subscribers fast. So this particular strategy is not about cheating this YouTube system. It is about building the right way. If you are a small creator tired of getting ignored, this is how you are going to be seen, and this is how you are going to get your subscribers. Don't just sit on the chair like that and waiting for miracle to fall down. Try it today, and if you want the exact comment template I used to avoid this spam filter, check the pinned comments below. Trust me, it's worth it. Use that particular pinned comment you see in the comment section and try it in every of what people's comments. Make sure you are changing words by word so that YouTube will not flag that particular comment as a spam comment. So this is where we are going to draw the curtain of today. If you find this video helpful, give this video a massive thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you are a small creator, let me see you in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.